how to fix Fall Guys connection error on PS5. The first thing that you will need to do is to close the game, so you just want to press on the options button and close Fall Guys. Now we will need to go into our settings, then you will need to choose network, then go into settings, set up internet connection. Here you want to find the Wi-Fi which you are connected to, and again we will press on the options button. And the first thing that I suggest doing is changing the Wi-Fi frequency bands to 5 GHz only. See if that works for you. If it doesn't, you can go into advanced settings. Then you will go into DNS settings, change this to manual, and here you want to type 1.1.1.1 for the primary DNS, and for the secondary DNS it's going to be 1.0.0.1. Afterwards you will click on OK. This is going to reconnect you to the internet, and they should fix the issue with Fall Guys. If it doesn't, then it means that it's a server issue and you will just need to wait for them to fix it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.